Let's play with J this time. Well, today we want to see what happens if vowels wanted to play with J. This happens. So let's go and see what it is. First one is A. The one with the hat, the one without the hat. This one comes at the beginning. The other one comes middle or at the end. This one doesn't attach to anything, but this one attaches to other lowercase consonants. So by all that, when this one comes here, something like this happens, and we read it A, J, A, J, and together we have Aj, Aj. What about that one? A lowercase j. This one attached to that. This sounds j, and this one sounds a, and together they are ja, ja. What about this one? The one that doesn't attach, the little a that attaches. This one comes at the beginning. This one comes in the middle. This one comes here, and when it wants to play with J, something like this happens. A, J. A, J. And together we have Aj, Aj. What about this one? This comes and attaches to lowercase j. J, A, J, A. Together, ja, ja. What about next one? A. A that comes in the beginning, doesn't attach to anything. The one that is smaller attached to lowercase one, comes in the middle. So it's a, j, a, j. Together, edge, edge. And that one, j with a, j, a, j, a. Together, j, j. Next one. What happens if this one wants to play with j? The one that doesn't attach comes at the beginning. The one that attaches and comes in the middle of a word. So if it wants to play with j, it would be o, j, o, j. So it would be oj, oj, oj. And if this one wanted to play, we would have j, o, j, o. Together, jo, jo, jo. So let's see what oo does. First one comes at the beginning, doesn't attach to anything. Second one attaches, comes in the middle or at the end. What happens when this one wants to play? This one would be ooj, ooj, ooj. Together, ooj. And this one would be j, oo, j, oo. And together, ju, ju. This tricky one again. 3 E's, the one which comes in the beginning, just attached from this part. The one that comes in the middle can attach to 2 things at the same time, sometimes from here, sometimes from here. And this one comes in the end, sometimes attached, sometimes doesn't, depending on the consonant. So, E, J, together would be eej, each. And next one is j, e, j, e. So together it would be g, g. As easy as that. Let's see what practices we have. So for practicing, as we've done all this, of course it has a pattern, so it would be really easy. We are just replacing these. So this one whole page for this one, and as you write it down, you read it alongside. One page for that one, and read with it. One page of this, one page this, and until the end it would be 12 pages. But remember one thing, you don't have to write one page. I want you to read and write it at the same time. As long as you feel that you understand it and you've learned it, that's enough. And when you did it, comment for me. See you guys next session, and until then, bye.